I was a dancer. In Boiberik, as a Yingsta Elster camper, you had what was called a free night. Every other week, you were allowed to stay up 1 extra hour and go down to the casino and dance. And I wanted to do that because I liked the girls and I wanted to dance. And I got good. I got to be good at it. And then we were folk dancers. We were folk dancers for years and years and years.
What was your favorite kind of dancing?
Ballroom dancing. Folk dancing was a separate entity. But ballroom, we were good ballroom. We did the rumba, we were good. And my sister and I were jitterbugs. Chana never was a jitterbug. In fact, our first date, on my 16th birthday, my parents gave me tickets to a Broadway show. I took my sister. On my 17th birthday, they gave me tickets to a Broadway show. I took Chana and surprised the hell out of them. And we went to a Chinese restaurant on Broadway called Chin Lee's, which no longer exists. And they had a dance floor. And I wanted to dance, and she didn't want to because she wasn't a good dancer. She was embarrassed. So we didn't. But she learned very quickly after that.